Hi, and welcome to the 5th video of the Clarity Roadmap series. I'm Catherine Ellis, a product manager with Clarity. We are tracking the journey of Sid, a portfolio manager in Headmoral. He is responsible for managing the bank's digital banking initiative. Sid now has a roadmap that includes all the planned and existing investments and custom attributes needed to plan the launch of the digital banking initiative. Before presenting it to the executive team, Sid plans to work with the marketing team to ensure there are clear marketing leads and distribution channels allocated to each initiative. Hence, in this video, we will see how Sid and the marketing team can use the board view to complete planning activities. Let's open the digital banking product line roadmap and navigate to the board layout. The various investments are currently arranged based on the different stages of a custom workflow developed in Headmoral. Let's help Sid use this layout to figure out the marketing leads and the distribution channel for each investment. We can accomplish these goals by creating pick lists. A pick list enables users to quickly and easily create new ways of segregating and evaluating roadmap items. Let's create the new marketing team members pick list and assign colors to all the team members. Let us select the new pick list in the columns drop-down list. After the screen is refreshed, you can now drag and drop various roadmap items to different team leads. The initiatives have now been allocated to various leads. Let's create another pick list called Marketing Channels. Sid has also finalized 3 distribution channels, namely social media advertising, email marketing, and leadership events. You can now quickly source initiatives into various channels. Let's now review the marketing plan by using the team member pick list and color it by the marketing channels pick list. Sid is now confident that his teams can collaborate by using the board view. They can also create pick lists to segregate and evaluate roadmap items. Thank you for watching this video. Watch the next video in this playlist to learn how you can analyze roadmaps by using the grid layout.